Consider the information offered through the following studies. An investigation undertaken by the UMTRI showed that in commercial truck-related crashes, car drivers were assigned fault in 81% of the cases. Another study by the NHTSA revealed cars with the encroaching vehicle in 91% of head-on crashes, 91% of opposite-driven sideswipes, 71% of rear-end crashes, and 77% of same-direction sideswipes. So how can you prove you or your fleet drivers were not at fault in these situations? With ZenduCAM. ZenduCAM integrates GeoTab and SmartWitness, the world's leading telematics and commercial vehicle camera system, to provide you an unparalleled solution in managing fleet safety, customer service, and compliance. SmartWitness and GeoTab have sold and installed over a combined 700,000 devices in over 50 countries worldwide. With ZenduCAM, you can easily view road and driver-facing footage in real time through your web browser or a mobile phone. You will capture instant footage during an accident that you can then use to either exonerate yourself from fault or to train your drivers on accident avoidance. ZenduCAM allows you to take advantage of the MyGeotab platform to trigger and analyze event recordings based on GeoTab rules such as speeding, collision warnings, geofences, PTO engagement, and much more. Investigate complaints and issues by using the ZenduCAM Rewind feature. This feature allows you to replay the daily trip or search for a specific time of day within the recorded footage. Video footage can be fetched on demand. So what does all this mean for you? Access footage anytime and from anywhere through mobile-friendly web access. Easily share event recordings through shareable links. Verify safety and productivity through live streaming playback. Ensure compliance to all company rules and policies through GeoTab-triggered recordings. Reduce false claims and liability by combining analysis of historical footage and telematics data. Take the next step towards truly revolutionary fleet management technology. Get started today.